Open your terminal and type npx create react app password generator. This sets up a new React project with everything we need. Once that's done, move into the project folder by typing cd password-generator. Now open this project in your code editor. Before writing any code, let me quickly explain what we're building. We're going to create a password generator using React. This app will let users choose the length of the password and whether they want to include uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. When they click the Generate button, it will produce a strong random password based on their selected preferences. We'll also add a copy button to easily copy the password to the clipboard. All right, now inside the src folder, create a new file and name it passwordgenerator.jsx. This is where all the logic and UI will go. Now let's write the full component. Import React useState from React. Import fcopy from react-icon/fa. Const password generator equals const length set length equals useState 12. Const include uppercase set include uppercase equals useState true. Const include lowercase set include lowercase equals useState true. Const include numbers set include numbers equals useState true. Const include symbols set include symbols useState false. Const password set password equals useState. Const generate password equals let charset equal if include uppercase charset plus if include lowercase charset equals if include numbers charset equals 0124579. If include symbols charset plus let new password equals for let I equals 0 I at length I plus const random index equals math floor math.random charset.length new password plus charset random index set password new password. Const copy to clipboard equals navigator.clipboard.write text password. Alert password copied to clipboard. Return div style max width 400 margin auto padding 20 font family sans serif. Password generator. Password length. Length input type will range min 4 max 32 val length on change e equals set length. E put type checkbox check to equals on change equals set include uppercase include uppercase. Include uppercase. Input type checkbox check include lowercase on change set include lowercase. Include lowercase. Label. Input type will checkbox check to include numbers on change equals set include numbers include numbers include numbers. Label input type checkbox check to include symbols set include symbols include symbols. Button on click generate password. Style margin top 10. Generate password. Password and div style margin top 20. Input value password read only style width 80%. Button on click copy to copy of. Export default password generator. Now let's hook this component into our main app. Open app.jsx and replace everything with import React from React. Import password generator from password generator. Function app. Return div password generative. Export default app. To use the copy icon, we need to install one dependency. Go back to your terminal and run npm install react icons. This will give us access to thousands of icons, including the clipboard icon we're using. Now just run npm start. This will launch the app in your browser. You'll see the password generator interface with a slider for length, checkboxes for character types, a generate button, and an input showing the password. You can click the copy button to copy the password instantly. And that's it. You now have a fully functional password generator built using React.